Hello, today we are doing Module 1, Page 6, Example number 2. We're talking about Mr. Martinez. In August, he borrowed, how much did he borrow? He borrowed $289 from Mrs. Hotmeyer for a switch. In September, Mr. Martinez borrowed $300 from Mr. Loera for a Taylor Swift ticket. How much does Mr. Martinez owe altogether? Let's start with figuring out the integers that represent the amount of money that Mr. Martinez borrowed in August. And that would be, since he's borrowing, that's considered a negative, so that's a negative 289. So how would we represent how much money he borrowed from Mr. Loera in September? Take a moment and think and write down what you think would be the amount that he borrowed. That's not what we want, so hopefully that's not too bad. We would show that as a negative $300. Again, when you're borrowing, that's usually considered a negative. When you earn money or get money as a gift or something like that, that's considered a positive. So continuing on, we're going to write the expression then to represent the total amount of money that Mr. Martinez borrowed. So remember, he borrowed $289 and $300, so we would show that as a negative $289 plus a negative $300. So because the integers both have the same sign, we're going to find we can add them together. Remember, sum means to add. And remember, absolute value is the distance from zero. So we're going to use the absolute value here of the two numbers. So what would be the absolute value of negative 289? Remembering that that is the distance it is from zero. So pause the video and write down what you think would be the correct answer. Hopefully you said 289. So then, knowing that, what would be the absolute value of negative 300? Again, absolute value means how far a number is from zero. So once again, please pause the video, and I want you to at least think about the answer, but probably you'll need to write it down in the computer. And that would be 300. So we're going to add the 289 plus the 300, which is a total of 589. But remember, we're talking about what he owes. So we need to go back into thinking of this as integers. So the sum is going to be a negative total. So the amount of money that Mr. Martinez owes is negative $589. And that should do it. This is a quick video. Hopefully everything turned out all right. And we will pause it here.